Hello Facebook, YouTube, and everybody in between. I'm out here at the Shepherd Branch shooting range trying out a new round, which was custom made by a buddy of mine up there in Lineville. It's a Hornady 73 grain ELD projectile with 25 grains of powder behind it, of course, in 5.56. Now, best I understand it, that polymer tip is to not only increase accuracy, but to ensure expansion upon impact. That way you don't get stopped up with, thick hide on an animal or heavy clothing or whatever and just penetrate on through like a full metal jacket would. It pushes that polymer tip in and forces the projectile to expand, thereby putting the brakes on it so it don't over penetrate. Now, it's going to be coming out of I believe it's a 16-inch barrel on a American Tactical Omni Hybrid Mill Sport. Now, y'all seen my little setup a minute ago, so it's not exactly high dollar, but it gets the job done. Now, you wonder why I'm wearing safety glasses. When you're trying out a new round in your gun, you should always wear safety glasses. You should be wearing them anyway if you're just out target shooting, just in case. But with a custom load, yeah, especially this being a hot load. But anyway, this video was partially sponsored by him, so giving a shout out to Dave. He runs and operates ITW Firearms and Ammunition out of Lineville, Alabama. He's just starting out. He's running the operation out of his house. So he's got a website, which I'll put a link in the description down there below. He's also got a Facebook page, which is how, even though we work together at Welborn, that's primarily how we communicate. So go ahead and look him up on Facebook, ITW Firearms and Ammunition in Lineville, Alabama. I would be wearing one of his shirts, but he didn't have any in my size right now. So anyway, on with the video. Now I've got my standard 5.56 loaded up. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop my magazine here and take a couple of rounds out, and I'm gonna put that ELD. It'll end up being about 3 rounds in. That way I get a good idea of the recoil difference and stuff like that. So y'all just bear with me for a second here. And my rifle's kind of weird. It may not pick up the next round on a closed bolt. So, matter of fact, I know it's not going to, because the magazine won't even fully engage. But anyway, oh, I guess I'm gonna have to open the bolt. There it went. Okay, so the ELD will be 2 rounds in then. And I'm putting my hearing protection on, obviously. Now I'll be aiming at the 50-yard target to start with. Drop my bipod down a little bit for that. Oh. All right. forgot I had to turn my head around backwards. Oh. You ever wonder why you see sniper movies with a sniper's hat turned around backwards? It's because it really gets in the way. All right. Might help if I took the safety off. That's 1556. Two. That should have been the third. And I never really did tell the difference in recoil. Doesn't seem to be any real difference, and it cycled just fine, so. Oh. But see if I can, no, I can't zoom in that far. Well, I'm fixing to try to hurry up and get into dialing in my scope, but you know, you see it's getting a little dark. It's been raining all day. But anyway, God dang it, rifle fell over. But y'all go ahead and check him out, ITW Firearms and Ammunition in Lineville, Alabama. And like I said, he's on Facebook, and he's got a website, which I'll link it below, just like everybody likes to do. And all through this ammo shortage, he's been my go-to guy. I mean, over the past few months, I've been able to put away, let's see, this last purchase made it over 300 rounds of 5.56, and he's reasonably priced. I mean, it's tax and cart charge and all, it's a little over 40 bucks for 50 rounds of 5.56. So that's not too bad, considering you go to a gun store and it's 30 for 20 rounds. But anyway, y'all go ahead and check him out. I'm gonna see y'all later, and y'all take it easy and be safe.